Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Gladiator front bumper easy guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then chock the wheels. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical issues while you work. Put on gloves and eye protection and gather common tools like T40 drivers, sockets, and trim tools. Take your time and keep bolts organized for reinstallation. With safety set, begin by removing plastic trim and grille components to expose bumper fasteners. Use a trim tool to lift clips gently and a T40 driver to remove visible bolts without scratching paint. Keep each set of fasteners labeled in a tray so reassembly is straightforward and fast. Work methodically from one side to the other, checking for hidden clips behind fog light bezels and near the fender edges. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more realistic, useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control keeps your garage and workspace tidy while you wrench, and it makes cleanup effortless when metal shavings fall. I mention it because a clean workspace speeds every job and saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, free the bumper by removing support bracket bolts and any remaining fasteners. A breaker bar helps with stubborn bolts. Before pulling the bumper, disconnect fog light harnesses and any park assist connectors to prevent damage. Ask a helper to support the bumper while you remove the last fasteners, then gently pull it straight away from the vehicle to disengage clips. Set the bumper on a padded surface to avoid scratches and inspect mounting points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.